The other thing that I see is a lot of people want to scale, meaning grow their business, but because they don't have the right leadership or the right systems and procedures, they're scaling, but they're scaling a mess. They're scaling chaos, meaning like it's just like it was already a mess. It just becomes a larger mess than it should be.
Yeah, absolutely. And the biggest challenge I've seen with a lot of people is, again, I asked them, if you got hit by a car tomorrow, would you be able to keep making money? Majority of people say no. And I'm like, well, then you need to fix that. It's fixable. It's not, look, we're not going to the moon here. This isn't rocket science. It's a matter of taking what's in your head, putting it on paper, running it through, because one of the things we found when we first started doing this is, and again, we didn't know how to do this. We had to learn. But when we first started doing this, we would come up with a procedure. We'd come up with this process. We'd give it to the VAs or the property managers. And they, after a while, they would go, yeah, this doesn't work at all. We're like, okay, well, how does it work? Well, this procedure is done here. This is done here. We don't even do this. And we're like, okay, well, does that work for you? Oh. And they're like, yeah. We're like, okay, we'll do it your way. Like, we would not manage. I was never big into micromanaging. My thing is I ran everything through KPIs and metrics in our company. Or I should say me and my business partner did. And so we learned that everything was through metrics and KPIs. And we had hundreds of metrics and KPIs, but as owners of the company, we looked at 3 to 5. That's all we wanted to see, because they would all feed up to us. And we knew the way we ran our metrics. So KPIs are key performance indicators for people that don't know. And the way that we would know if we either had red or green. Red was bad, green was good, right? We had metrics that we would measure against. If something was red 2 weeks in a row, we have a problem. We need to identify this. Now we dig deeper into those 100 KPI metrics from all these different people in Mexico and other cities to figure out where is the challenge. Is it a contractor problem? Is it a vendor problem? Is it a property manager problem? We could start identifying it, but the first indication was one of our 5 indicators was red. And that was the first, and that was our job as leaders. That's what we were there to do. We were there to make sure we fixed problems as quickly as we found them or before, so that they don't, explode on us.